Start more. Good to go? Wow. I guess. Oh, thank you for joining us, Nicole.
My pleasure.
I'm very interested in the Whisperchick lineup that you created. Can you elaborate on it?
Sure, absolutely. So growing up in Illinois, did a lot of shooting, but had never shot suppressed before. So shooting was something that I endured. I did it with my father, with my brother, but I never really got into it. It was easy to walk away from it. It was too loud, it was too harsh, and I became an archer instead.
Okay.
So that was my story. So fast forward several years, got engaged, moved down here to Georgia, and as you met, Rick Cope, he is amazing, and he had us over, and I shot suppressed for the first time, and I experienced the O-face, which was, here, let's shoot unsuppressed. Now, try it with a suppressor. And my jaw dropped. It was like, oh, this is possible. This is what shooting could be. And it completely transformed my attitude and my experience. And, you know, the next day I was sitting around and thinking, I'm just like every other woman. And there's got to be other women that have the same story as I do. Maybe, you know, they bought the gun, they tried to get into it, and then they walked away. Or they never finished the training, or it's locked in a box in their nightstand and it's been there for 2 years and they haven't been to the range since. So I knew there was a way that we could try to break some of the preconceived notions about what a suppressor is for women and have them realize how valuable of a tool it is for their shooting game. And I know it's changed my shooting immensely. And so working with the team at Whispertech, we said we really need to have a marketing strategy for women so that we can really help all of our women shooters.
Absolutely. And I want to see the 22 and 9 mil with a different color line. Are you doing the 5.56 as well?
We are doing all of the same calibers, correct?
Absolutely. Is there a price difference between the different versions?
No, sir.
Oh, that is amazing. What is the caliber that you enjoy shooting the most?
I started on the 22, and of course it's the most fun because it almost doesn't feel like you're shooting a weapon, even though it is a serious thing. Very fun. But I really enjoyed the 9 as well because it makes 9mm shooting very tolerable, very easy. It cuts back on a lot of the bad habits that I had developed, which was the shot anticipation and some of the flinching. So I really enjoyed both of those. I also got into rifle shooting, which really was something that I hadn't done before. And I think that the suppressors really made that possible for me.
Absolutely, especially the titanium suppressors. I believe it makes it a lot more easier for somebody on a short rifle using a suppressor, where, let's say, if it's a long barrel and a heavy suppressor, then it's a little harder for girls to maneuver around.
Absolutely.
But with something like that, that is perfect.
When we were talking about the design and how this was going to be a game changer for women, it was definitely the lightness and the ability to really get your whole hand around one. And usually what works for one works for the other. So there was no need to say, okay, this is the female version for this. This is for our women shooters. It worked really well for both. Same thing for the 9mm. Since that's a common caliber for women, there are some things that women don't want to do. When you tell them you need to do 3 things, okay, if you want to shoot suppressed, you have to modify your pistol in 3 ways. You have to have a threaded barrel. And they're like, oh, okay. Then you have to change your sights. Oh, now we're starting to lose them. And how easy is this to clean? Because we're going to want to clean them as well. So making it super easy to clean takes one of those things away. And then not having to change your sights is one less thing to worry about. So really, all a woman needs to concentrate on for this, to use this suppressor, is to get a threaded barrel. And that's one thing that she can definitely do. A lot of women also don't realize that you need the booster or that you need the Nielsen device for this to actually cycle on your 9mm, and it comes with it. So we take the guesswork out. It's the easiest way for a woman to shoot suppressed. We've thought of everything.
And this is honestly a very cool point, because I haven't seen many companies including the Nielsen device right away and without extra cost to the consumer. This is amazing. And honestly, I like the colors as well. It's something new in the market, because you usually expect either a black one or a silver one or something like that. But having a nice like little pink one, it's amazing.
We polled women and we found that it was kind of split 50-50. 50% of women liked the black, but then the other 50% liked everything else. There wasn't really a second place color winner. It was, we like pinks, we like purples, we like reds. You got all of the different colors. So women really do have their own personal taste when it comes to colors. And we wanted to make sure that that was an option.
And at the end of the day, I believe what you said, it's a tool, right? And I think it makes it look a little more nicer, not as, scary or like, I don't know what it is for. And definitely with the suppression of the sound, it just makes it a little bit easier to go and train, get yourself to the range.
It's
enjoy.
A pleasure.
Absolutely.
To shoot.
And learn, especially if you're using this for self-protection, you need to learn how to use your own gun. And this will definitely pull more people into the ranges.
I believe so. With every single Whisperchicks purchase, this is the box that comes standard. So it's just a really nice, luxurious way to unbox your suppressor, because you're excited when you go pick it up and it doesn't come in a cardboard box with some bubble wrap around it. It's a truly wonderful experience. We have the magnetic closure on the box, and when you open it up, you'll see, it is branded with our logo, but also up here, there's the compartment for the tools. These tools are amazing. They are very thick gauged steel, so that when you use them to create that force with your hands, it's not cutting into your hands. So it really works well for the women. The men love it as well. And then inside our little protective case here, it's very velvety. Then you'll pull out the suppressor. And this bag is great for taking it to the range. If you're not going to keep it on your weapon, you can keep it in the pouch, keep it protected. Helps the Cerakote stay nice and beautiful. And the box can be used for storage. Some people just keep it on their weapon the whole time. They're not taking it on and off, and that's fine. But it does have a home to rest in that is beautiful and easy to store.
It almost gives me an option to give to somebody, because it looks so good, and you can present it as, hey, this is something going to help you and protect your hearing, but also it just looks beautiful.
Yes. It's top quality from the outside to the inside to the suppression, your experience, everything.
Especially, and I wanted to point out the tools that you get. It's not anything cheap or whimsy. It's super good quality, very thick metal. So this will survive a very long time. And there's 2 of them included in the box already.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. And I wanted to talk about the cleaning portion as well. So as you can see, we got one integrally suppressed AR here without a cover. So you can see how it looks inside. And you can take those 2 screws out, dip it in and into any solutions, and clean it very easily. And this is the top portion. You can have it Cerakoted in different colors, and it goes on top.
And on the website, all the colors are available, so you can select the one that you would like. Also, you can tell your gun store who carries Whisperchicks what color you want, and they can order it for you in-house. And those custom colors are available to see right now. We have the Prison Pink, we have the Aztec Teal, the Rose Gold, we have black, and we are looking for the next color to unveil. We're going to see what becomes popular.
I haven't seen many innovations in the suppressor industries, but this is definitely taking it to a new level, and it's extremely exciting.
And we are so excited.
Oh, absolutely a pleasure. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.